Good afternoon, this is Elliot here at Das Trucks with another one of our walk around videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our available inventory as we list it. Our phone number and website are going to be down in the description. Today we got a 2014 Chevy Express 4500. This is a 16-foot box on the back of here. This truck's in pretty good condition. Got some nice tires on the front here. A lot of tread left on these. Nice tires on the rear here as well, also with a lot of tread. We've also repainted the chassis here with an anti-rust chassis saver paint. Keeps any new rust from forming and any existing rust from spreading. As well as we have repainted the box here. Nice fresh coat of white paint. This truck does come equipped with a pull-out ramp mounted underneath the box here. Box is in great condition. It's got a nice pass-through from the box to the cab. A little sliding door. This truck has an overall clearance of 10 foot 6 inches. And the back bumper has also been repainted with the chassis saver paint. This truck does come equipped with a backup camera as well, mounted here on the top of the box. And the screen is mounted on the dash and the driver's side. See the chassis a little better from this angle on this side. And we've also repainted the wheels on this one as well. Now taking a look inside the cab here. This truck, like all of our vehicles, has been thoroughly detailed inside and out. Seats are in great condition. As you can see, no rips or tears. And here is the sliding door that passes through to the cargo space. Let's go ahead and start this up. As you can see, this particular truck has 124,666 miles on it. No lights on the dash. This truck is looking and running great. And here is the backup camera mounted screen here. I'm going to put it in reverse so you can check it out. And there is your visual looking out of the back camera. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. I'm taking a look under the hood here. All the filters and fluids have been replaced, and the truck has been detailed under the hood here as well. Give it a nice clean fresh start. Now this Chevy Express comes equipped with a 6.0 liter V8 gasoline engine that is a GM Vortec engine, coupled with an automatic transmission. This truck is looking and running great and is ready to get to work. And there you have it, a 2014 Chevy Express 4500 with a 16-foot box on the back, dual rear wheels, and a 6.0 liter V8 engine. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.